Welcome to Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. I'm Rob. Tonight I'm going to make a salad in our salad cutting bowl, and I'm going to use the salad cutting bowl set because the set does come with a knife. It comes with our blue knife, and we're going to make this is super easy to take a salad like to work. I don't have to cut it up the night before, and a lot of times when you cut it up ahead of time, it's not quite as fresh as when you cut it, right when you're ready to eat it. You'll notice we're going to use this evening, we're going to use a creamy avocado dressing that I just made in another video if you want to check that out. And that's in our mix and pour container from Pampered Chef. You can mix dressings right in here, but I mix this one in the food processor and then poured it in. But it's got a nice little pour spout, so I can pour that on there. Okay, so of course you can use whatever ingredients you'd like for your salad. I'm just going to do a regular garden salad. So here we go. As far as prepping goes, I really don't have to prep much. I've got a bowl, comes with a bowl, and then this is the cutting piece. So I'm going to put it in there because that's what we're going to use to guide our cutting. We have a cutting board here, and this holds several things. This holds it comes with a spoon and a fork. It also comes with a container that you can put salad dressing or whatever type of liquid that you would like to put in there. And then the other spots you could put tortillas, you could put beans, you could put corn if you wanted to do some type of Southwest salad. But you can put whatever you'd like there. And then this will all get covered up with a final lid. Okay, so here we go. So all I'm going to put in my salad is cucumber, carrots, romaine lettuce. I'm going to put a little broccoli, some green pepper, and then we're going to have our avocado dressing, creamy dressing. So I'm going to take, this is a pretty big cucumber, so I'm not going to take all of it, maybe about a quarter or a third of our cucumber. That might even be a little too large. I'm going to take a piece of cucumber. I'm going to take some carrots. I'm going to throw those in. I'm going to quarter up a green pepper. I'm going to cut a little bit of broccoli off here. Put a little bit of broccoli in there. And then I'm going to put some romaine lettuce. I don't know if I'll get the whole head in there. I may just get part of it in there. I'll try to get a few of the greener leaves in there. Okay, so there's my salad. And that's how I prep it to go to work. So I'm gonna close that in. I may have got it a little too full to go to work. Okay, so I'm gonna fit that in here. I'm gonna take my dressing, and normally I would take, if I was gonna take it to work, I'd pour it in my little container. I'm not gonna do that here, but so now when I'm ready to cut my salad, I'm gonna turn the cutting piece over, and I'm going to put it over the top here, and then I'm going to push it down this way. There are some arrows that line up here. Let's see if I can get the arrows to line up. I think I got it a little too full, but that's manageable. Okay, there's my first lineup. So I'm going to cut from the center out. I'm actually going to take a little bit of this out because it is too full. So let's take a couple pieces of lettuce out. There we go. Now we're good. Now we're going to actually click like we should click. We're clicked in. I'm going to start with the center, and I'm going to work my way out. Work my way to the outside. Oops. And this is something you could do. A lot of us get to eat at our desk, so you could do this at your desk if you need to. Can make just a little bit of a mess. You might want to just some of the things that might fly out while you're cutting. I'm going to turn it around. I'm left-handed, so I gotta make sure it's on my left side. Okay, and now we're going to do like a quarter turn, and we're going to line up a different arrow. And it'll click right into place. And again, I'm going to cut from the inside out. And I like the long blue knife because it's long enough to cut through the whole thing here. You don't want your knife to be too short that it doesn't reach both ends. The bowl comes separate, or you can buy it in a set with the knife. Okay, once I'm done, I'm going to take the bottom piece off. I'm going to pour it into my bowl. Oh, yummy. And there's my salad. Okay, and I can turn that as many times as I want. If you like your salad cut up a little smaller, I like mine a little larger. I don't like the mushed up, chopped up salads, but if you like yours a little smaller, you can always turn it another quarter time and cut a couple times. Now I'm going to pour in some of my avocado, creamy avocado dressing. It's a little thicker than just a vinaigrette, so it's going to just be a little slow coming out, but that's fine. I'm not going to overdo it. Okay, I'm going to pour that on. I'm going to pull apart my spoon and my fork, and I'm going to eat it with fork. So you can see, got a piece of cucumber there. It was in one big chunk when I put it in. Try to get a little bit of everything here. Wow. You could always throw a chicken breast in here on top. But I'll tell you what, this is a salad you'll want to take to work more than once. One, the salad is very fresh because it was just cut, and the dressing, wow, this is going to be a great dressing for my future. Hopefully you give that a try too. The avocado, the creamy avocado, cilantro, lime, you can taste the garlic in there. It makes a great fresh salad. Thanks for joining us today on Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. Be sure and like the video, share the video, and definitely subscribe to the channel. If you do nothing else, subscribe to the channel so you'll be sure and get our upcoming videos on new products, on new recipes, and have a great time. So thank you for joining us today, Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob.